I'm Thomas Mercier. This is my 5th year in mechanical engineering. I interned at Austal USA this summer, 2019, through the APC. I did a lot there, predominantly additive manufacturing. The way it would work is someone would present us with a part they were already purchasing for, say, $20 or $30. We would then take that part, model it in the CAD, usually with just calipers or by hand, just sort of eyeballing it. And then through sort of iterative manufacturing, we would print, revise, and come out with the final part and save them anywhere from 70 to 90% per part that they then still have on file that they can use for, cost savings in the future. In addition to that, I really worked a lot with sales reps. They would come in, try to sell us a product. I would work with them, show them around, sort of guide them through who they need to talk to, what they need to do. Sometimes I would then sort of build a report, if you want to call it that, on their products and on their company. And I would like to thank the APC for the opportunity to work there this summer.